everyone, Jesse here with Absolutely Clean Window Washing, coming to you with a soft wash roof cleaning and building cleaning job here. This is at Riverside Church in Big Lake, Minnesota. This is a very big, extensive job, lots of square foot of roof and exterior surfaces to clean. And as you can see, this roof here is very dark, stained with algae. There's some lichen and some moss growing up underneath those trees. We're going to be trimming, there's another tree on the other side just like this one. We're going to be trimming those trees up off the building, off the roof. It's touching the fascia on the gable end, touching the roof on this end and on the other side. And so we're going to be trimming them trees up before we start spraying. And we're going to clean the gutters out also. But this is the Highway 25 side of the building. It's hard to see this roof from Highway 25 because of all these big pines all over here, but I'm sure everybody's seen how dirty this roof is that lives nearby. And so this is a very big property. I could take you a walk around some of the areas here, but basically we're going to be soft washing this property today, the roof and all the exterior surfaces. There's many different roofs, there's many different areas to this building. We're also going to be soft washing some flat roofs today up there. They have a bunch of mechanicals on a roof that's holding a lot of moisture. And I'll do some during videos as well once I get up on the roof. Show you guys some of the before and after stuff. And so we're also going to be soft washing the stucco. This building has very nice stucco. But as you can see, there's a lot of green going on here, and this side of the building is very tall. We're talking, you know, probably 50 feet tall to the peak. And so the entire building is mainly stucco, this new part of the building. Even the brick down here is black. We're going to be soft washing that as well. They have a problem with birds up there making their nest up there, and as you can see, they poop all over the place. And the underneath sides of these overhangs, basically where the soffit would be, it's all wood. And so we're going to make that look real nice again. As you can see, it's real green underneath that window. Real black and nasty over here. Stucco. This side's real green. It'd be a little hard to see how green this side is. It's pretty bad. And this is the north facing side of Riverside Church here. It's also very black. So basically we're going to be soft washing this whole building exterior. We won't get to the exterior surfaces today. We're strictly going to focus on the roofs today. But even up there, as you can see, looking pretty green. We're going to be soft washing this little shed here as well. Got a lot of things going on in the shed. Make it look a little nicer. It won't take us very long to spray it while we're here. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna make this church look beautiful again. And this side here really doesn't have much algae or anything going on with it, but it's dirty and it needs to be cleaned. You got some bird nests that the birds have made up underneath there, so they got their mud all over the stucco up there. And so this is the side that everybody notices about Riverside here. This mechanical roof up there is very dirty. It's hard to see how dirty it is, but that's one of the roofs we're going to be cleaning today. And if you come out here and you look at it from a different angle, you can see it's got stripes all over it. It's covered in algae. We want this church to look nice. A lot of people attend this church. It's a very nice church in Big Lake. If you're looking for a good church to attend, Riverside Church is my recommendation. We're also going to be washing these high windows here. There's a couple on the other side as well. We're going to be hitting all the brick, all the fascia, all the soffit, the gutters, basically soft washing everything that we can on this building, killing all the mold and algae and everything living on this building. It'll keep it a lot cleaner, a lot longer. And so the roofs are very extensive, very big. This roof here is really big. So we're going to be doing both sides of this roof here, and then both sides of this roof here. And we're going to be doing that flat roof down there as well. That's a flat rubber roof that this roof drains down onto. And so that roof is holding water because of some issues it has. It needs to be cleaned. So we're going to clean that roof as well. Make sure this whole church is very well protected. And I was a roofer for over 10 years, so I'm gonna bring up any issues or concerns I have with this roof and get them fixed for this church. So we're gonna also trim that tree over there on the roof. That tree is actually touching the roof. So again, this is absolutely clean window washing, soft wash, roof cleaning, and building exterior cleaning at Riverside Church here in Big Lake. If you need a building cleaned or soft washed, please give us a call. 612-919-4185. Thank you. Hello everyone, Jesse again here, same job, Riverside Church, Big Lake, Minnesota. And filming from the roof here before we start spraying, just so you get a great idea of how bad this roof really is and how beautiful we can make it look afterwards. Just got done trimming up some trees off the roof over here and over here. So this is the big dirty roof here that we're going to focus on this morning. Very big, very, very big, probably 150 to 200 feet long. And from the peak to the gutter is probably about... I'm going to walk down at the bottom of the roof and maybe look up and see if you can get a good idea just how dark this roof is. So these light spots that you're seeing, those are the color the shingles should be. Probably even a little bit lighter than even the light spots here. Underneath this tree, you can kind of see the original color of the shingles. There's a lot of heavy lichen. Some moss going on over here where the tree caused a lot of shade. The tree actually caused a little bit of damage to this roof. It's not too bad. All this lichen will be killed and it will decompose, turn back into dirt, get rinsed off the roof, and our hope is that the sand is still intact, or the limestone I should say, would still be intact underneath the lichen. So the lichen are the most dangerous thing you can see on a roof. They're little flat pieces of lettuce like this, and a lot of times they're growing very deep roots down into the shingle. And if you tried to power wash these off your roof, you'd probably wreck your roof. Your roof would be spotted because they would remove the sand or the limestone underneath the lichen. So in essence, you just want to kill everything on the roof. Let Mother Nature remove it after it's decomposed. So this area here is very heavy with lichen. If you tried to clean that with a broom or any other form other than soft washing, your roof would probably be wrecked underneath that. So I'm gonna turn around here down by the gutter edge and look up at this roof, and you can just see how dirty it is. So we're gonna get this cleaned up today. I'm also gonna walk up over the top of this roof here and down to this other side. There's a flat roof down here and another shingled roof with some mechanicals, and I'll show you that before, and then I'll also show you that after. So there's a little bit of algae going on this front roof. We're going to spray these whole roofs here. A little bit of darkness down on the edge of this roof here as well. Hard to see, but there is a little algae on it. So we're going to get over to the mechanical side of this roof. And so here you can see a lot of dark algae going on. This roof faces north here. North facing roofs are always susceptible to algae, lichen, mold, everything. And here's the flat roof, and you can see we have an issue down there. We have some standing water. We had a lot of heavy dirt and debris down there by the scupper. So we're gonna get that all cleaned up. That flat roof down there is gonna look much better. We actually have some standing water over there. That might be just a roof issue, but you know, this roof here is very bad. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up today. We're gonna focus on all these roof surfaces today, and we will come back to you at the end of the day with an after video and some after pictures. Again, Riverside Church, Big Lake is being soft washed by Absolutely Clean Window Washing. If you need a property soft washed, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. 612-919-4185. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, Absolutely Clean Window Washing coming to you here again from the ground, looking at the roof of Riverside Church here in Big Lake after we've soft washed it. As you can see, there's no more black algae on the roof. We also did the siding, the brick and the stucco, all the window wells there. Basically, we made this property look brand new again. If you have a property that you would like soft washed anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. And as you can see, that roof looks beautiful again. It was very dark before, so their cooling costs were greatly increased because of the dark color of the roof. So now that the roof is about 5-10 shades lighter, their cooling costs should go down in the summertime. I'm just gonna walk over here and take another look from a different angle. And this roof is very big. It goes way down there. You can't see a lot of it through the trees, but as you can see here, the roof looks very nice. It's had a few rains on it now, and it's very bright. Everything's been rinsed off the roof. And as you can see, the stucco looks very beautiful as well underneath the windows. All the brick looks real nice. The gutters look real nice. If you have a property that you'd like soft washed anywhere in Minnesota, please give us a call, 612-919-4185. And if you're looking for a good church to attend and are new to this area, please visit Riverside Church, right here on the corner of 25 and Highway 15 and 14, just over the Mississippi River. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please enjoy the before and after pictures at the end of this video. Thank you so much.